The ocean depths hold many secrets. These vast uncharted territories are home to some of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring creatures on our planet. The deeper we go, the more we realize how little we know about the life that thrives in these dark, cold waters. One of the most captivating is the giant squid. With its long, tentacled arms and massive eyes, it has fascinated and terrified humans for centuries. This elusive creature, rarely seen by human eyes, has inspired countless myths and legends. This creature of myth and legend, once thought to be a monster, is now a prized catch. Historical illustrations depict it as a fearsome beast, attacking ships and dragging sailors to their doom. But today, we understand it better and appreciate its role in the marine ecosystem. Japanese fishermen brave the deep to bring this delicacy to our tables. These skilled seafarers venture into the ocean's heart, often facing treacherous conditions, to capture the giant squid. Their dedication and expertise are crucial in ensuring that this rare catch makes it from the depths to the dish. Join me as we journey from the ocean's heart to the chef's knife, exploring the fascinating world of giant squid. We'll follow the path of these incredible creatures from their mysterious underwater homes to the bustling kitchens where they are transformed into culinary masterpieces. We'll uncover the secrets of their capture and the artistry of their preparation. From the moment they are hauled aboard the fishing boats to the intricate techniques used by chefs to prepare them, every step of the process is a testament to human ingenuity and respect for the ocean's bounty. From the icy depths to the skilled hands of a Japanese chef, the journey of the giant squid is a remarkable one. The cold, dark waters where they are found contrast sharply with the warm, inviting kitchens where they are prepared with precision and care. The story of the giant squid is a testament to the ocean's bounty and the human spirit of exploration. It reminds us of the wonders that lie beneath the waves and the incredible efforts made to bring these wonders to our tables. So, let's dive deep and discover the journey of the giant squid, from the depths to the dish. Giant squid, Architeuthis ducks, are truly remarkable creatures. These mysterious beings have fascinated humans for centuries, often inspiring tales of sea monsters and mythical beasts. Their sheer size and elusive nature make them one of the most intriguing inhabitants of the deep ocean. They are the stuff of legends, with eyes the size of dinner plates. These enormous eyes are perfectly adapted to the dark depths of the ocean, allowing them to detect even the faintest glimmers of light in the pitch-black waters. Their tentacles, which can reach over 40 feet long, are equipped with powerful suckers and sharp hooks. These appendages are not only used for capturing prey, but also for defending against predators. Imagine the strength of those tentacles, capable of crushing prey with immense pressure. The giant squid's tentacles are a marvel of biological engineering, designed to exert incredible force and precision. These deep-sea dwellers inhabit the ocean's twilight zone, hundreds of meters below the surface. This region, also known as the mesopelagic zone, is characterized by low light levels and frigid temperatures. This dark, cold environment makes them incredibly elusive and difficult to study. Scientists have only recently begun to uncover the secrets of these enigmatic creatures, thanks to advancements in deep-sea exploration technology. Their size and habitat make them a challenge to capture, demanding specialized skills and equipment. Deep-sea fishing for giant squid requires not only physical endurance but also a deep understanding of the ocean's complex ecosystems. Yet, Japanese fishermen have mastered the art of luring these giants from the deep, using their knowledge and respect for the ocean to bring them to the surface. Their traditional methods, passed down through generations, demonstrate a profound connection to the sea and its inhabitants. Witnessing a giant squid being brought aboard a fishing vessel is a rare and awe-inspiring sight. The sheer size and otherworldly appearance of these creatures leave a lasting impression on all who encounter them. Researchers continue to study giant squids to learn more about their biology, behavior, and role in the marine ecosystem. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding these elusive giants of the deep. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the ocean, the giant squid remains a symbol of the unknown, a reminder of the vast and uncharted world that lies beneath the waves. Catching giant squid is no easy feat. Fishermen venture out at night, their boats equipped with powerful lights. These lights attract smaller fish and squid, which in turn draw the giant squid closer to the surface. The fishermen then use specialized jigging machines. These machines rapidly lower and raise lines with multiple hooks, mimicking the movement of prey. The giant squid, attracted by the light and movement, attack the jigs, becoming hooked. It's a delicate dance of light and motion, requiring patience and skill. The fishermen must be careful not to overfish, ensuring the sustainability of this unique species. Once caught, the giant squid is carefully brought aboard the fishing vessel. Time is of the essence, as the freshness of the squid is paramount. They are immediately chilled to preserve their delicate texture and flavor. Upon reaching the shore, the squid are transported to bustling fish markets. Here, expert eyes examine each squid, assessing its quality and size. Only the best specimens are selected for sale, destined for the kitchens of discerning chefs and restaurants. The market comes alive with the energy of buyers and sellers, a testament to the importance of fresh seafood in Japanese cuisine. Section 5. The Master's Touch, Respect in Every Cut. In the hands of a skilled Japanese chef, the giant squid is transformed into a culinary masterpiece. Every cut is precise, every movement deliberate. The chef understands the anatomy of the squid, knowing how to best utilize each part. The tentacles, with their firm texture, are ideal for grilling or stir-frying. The body, with its delicate flavor, can be sliced into sashimi or used in stews and soups. The ink, a prized ingredient, adds a unique depth and richness to sauces and pasta dishes. Section 6. A delicacy of the deep giant squid in Japanese cuisine. Giant squid holds a special place in Japanese cuisine. It's a delicacy often reserved for special occasions. Its versatility allows chefs to showcase their creativity, preparing the squid in countless ways. From delicate sashimi to hearty stews, giant squid features prominently in traditional and modern Japanese dishes. Its unique flavor and texture have captivated palates for generations. Whether enjoyed as a simple grilled dish or as part of an elaborate multi-course meal, giant squid offers a taste of the ocean's depths. Section 7. Sustainability and the future of giant squid fishing. As with any fishing practice, sustainability is crucial for the future of giant squid. Overfishing could decimate populations of this unique species. Japanese fishermen are aware of this delicate balance and are taking steps to ensure responsible fishing practices. They adhere to strict quotas and size limits, ensuring that only mature squid are harvested. Researchers are also working to understand the life cycle and behavior of giant squid, providing valuable information for conservation efforts. Section 8. Beyond the plate giant squid in Japanese culture. Giant squid is more than just a source of food in Japan, it's woven into the fabric of the culture. Legends and folklore abound, depicting the squid as both fearsome and awe-inspiring creatures. These stories reflect a deep respect for the ocean and its inhabitants. The giant squid also plays a role in art and literature, inspiring artists and writers for centuries. From traditional woodblock prints to modern-day manga, the giant squid continues to captivate the imagination. Section 9. A Taste of the Unknown. The journey from the ocean depths to the dinner plate is a testament to the ingenuity and respect that Japanese fishermen and chefs have for the giant squid. These dedicated individuals brave the unpredictable seas, often venturing into the unknown to bring this magnificent creature to our tables. Their expertise and commitment are evident in every step of the process, from the initial catch to the final presentation. This elusive creature, once shrouded in mystery, offers a unique culinary experience. The giant squid, with its long tentacles and otherworldly appearance, has fascinated humans for centuries. Its capture and preparation require not only skill, but also a deep understanding of the ocean's rhythms and the creature's behavior. The chefs who prepare it transform this enigmatic being into a delicacy that tantalizes the taste buds and ignites the imagination. So the next time you have the opportunity to taste giant squid, savor the moment. Appreciate the complex flavors and textures that make this dish so special. Each bite is a culmination of nature's bounty and human craftsmanship. It's not just a meal, it's an experience that connects you to the vast, mysterious world beneath the waves. Remember the journey it took, the skills required to catch it, and the artistry involved in its preparation. The fisherman's perseverance, the chef's precision, and the cultural heritage that surrounds this dish all contribute to its uniqueness. It's a story of tradition, innovation, and respect for the natural world. It's a taste of the unknown, a connection to the deep, and a reminder of the wonders that lie beneath the surface of our vast oceans. As you enjoy this extraordinary dish, take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey it represents. From the dark, mysterious depths of the ocean to the vibrant, bustling kitchens of Japan, the giant squid story is one of adventure, discovery, and culinary excellence. Embrace the unknown and let it inspire your palate and your spirit.